Think you need a high salary to build wealth? Think again. In this video, I will talk about some practical tips to grow your wealth, even on a low income. Stick around to the end because I'm sharing 4 practical tips you can use today to begin your journey to financial freedom, with a little help from my free budgeting template. Tip number 1. Start budgeting. The first step to building wealth is knowing exactly where your money is going. If you don't track your income and expenses, it's easy to waste money without even realizing it. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about taking control so you can save, invest, and grow your wealth over time. To make budgeting simple, I've created a free budgeting template that will help you track your spending and set financial goals. Click the link in the description or comment to sign up for my newsletter and grab your free copy. Tip number 2. Pay off debt faster. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. Why? Because the money you are paying in interest could be going towards your future instead of lining the lender's pocket. High interest debts like payday loans can keep you stuck in a cycle, making it harder to save or invest. The key is to pay off your debt as quickly as possible. And to help you with that, I've created a free debt repayment template that makes it easy to organize and tackle your debt efficiently. Sign up for my newsletter to download them for free. The template is super easy to use, but if you need extra guidance, I also have a course that walks you through step by step how to eliminate debt faster. Check the link in the description and comments to learn more. Tip number 3. Automate savings and investments. One of the easiest ways to build wealth, even on a low income, is by automating your savings and investments. Why? Because you set it and forget it. You remove the temptation to spend first and save later. Start small, even if it's just 10,000 naira per month. Set up an automatic transfer from your salary account to a savings or investment account. Over time, these small contributions add up and help you build wealth without even thinking about it. If you're not sure how to invest, check out my book, Rich, Young, and African. Link in the description and comment for tips on how to invest. Tip number 4. Increase your income. While budgeting and saving are crucial, there's only so much you can cut from your expenses. To truly build wealth, you need to increase your income. There are 3 ways to do this. First, start a side hustle. Freelancing, selling digital products, or offering a service can bring in extra cash. Second, invest in skills. Learning high-demand skills can open doors to better paying jobs or business opportunities. Finally, negotiate your salary. If you have a full-time job, don't be afraid to ask for a salary increase, especially if you've added value to your company. The more you earn, the more you can save and invest, accelerating your path to financial freedom. You don't need to earn ₦1 million a month to build wealth. Even on a low income, you can build wealth with the right mindset and strategy. If this video inspired you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to grab a copy of my book, Rich, Young, and African, for a deeper dive into this wealth building strategy. Check out the links in the description and comment to learn more and start your journey to financial freedom.